Hey guys, Jeff Talent, General Sales Manager, Heyward Toyota. What we're going to be talking about today is how to change a flat tire. When does a flat usually happen? Usually when it's dark, raining, and you're all by yourself. But we're going to fix that. Here's how to. Okay, step one, when you do notice maybe your TPMS light comes on, tire pressure monitor light comes on, or maybe you kind of feel that wobble, please pull over to the road safely. Don't forget to use your blinker. Now, when you do pull off to the side of the road, please remember, the side that the flat is on, you got to make sure that that's not in grass or mud or sand. The problem is when you do start to change the flat tire, two things could happen. The car could slide, and two, the jack could come and sink into the sand or the mud. Okay, step two. Let's identify and show you where the jack would be. The cover here in most cars, what you can do is you can take this out. If it's rainy or muddy, snow, whatever, put it on the ground. Now you have a clean place to change your flat tire. Next thing, locate where the jack is, the scissor jack. Your tools. Pull this up underneath, there is your spare tire. All right, step three. You're always going to want to loosen the lugs prior to lifting the car. Problem is if you have the car lifted and then you start pulling on the lugs, bad things can happen. So loosen these up first. Make sure you don't take them off all the way, just get them a little bit loose. Once you do that, you'll have to identify the place to put the jack. So you'll see this little V cup right here in the jack. There is a, on your rocker, you'll have to, if you don't know, you'll have to get to your owner's manual and check. But I do want to show you, here's where you put your jack. Hey, so this is kind of the tricky part. This is where you need to make sure that you put the jack in the right location. If you don't put it on the actual support beam here, if you put it on the plastic piece, you can push right through the plastic and then actually you break this. So what you want to do is just want to match this up right here. You can see that. If you do have questions, please resort to your owner's manual. All right, next step, that would be to lift the car up. Lift it up about 6 inches. Now you've already got the lugs loose, so at that point, once you've got the car up, take the lugs off. Now, when you take the tire off, please be prepared. The tire could be a little bit heavy, but you remove the tire, take the spare tire out, replace it, put the lugs on, then lower it. Now, main thing, please make sure that you re-tighten all the lugs. The thing is if you don't get the lugs tightened all the way, then the tire could actually wobble. That's not good. Once you do get the flat tire on there, please take it right to the Toyota service department. Hey, thanks for watching the video. If you do have questions or if you'd like an in-person tutorial, please come in. We'd be happy in the sales department to go over it with you, or you can always visit our service department. Again, Jeff Talent, General Sales Manager, Heyward Toyota.